In this video, I'll be giving a demonstration of how MQ can work with the Hyperledger blockchain service to easily integrate your messaging applications with blockchain applications and networks. The MQ Bridge for Blockchain connects the messaging and the blockchain worlds without your application needing to know anything about the configuration or programming interfaces for the blockchain. An MQ application interacts with the Hyperledger fabric while continuing to use a queue-based design in the same way as it works with other applications in your environment. Messages are put on a queue, the bridge gets them, uses the message contents to invoke a capability in the blockchain, and then sends a reply to the application, again via a queue. Because it's queue-based, you get the usual benefits of asynchronous processing. And because it's MQ, you can use your existing infrastructure and application skills. This makes it easy to extend any processes you already have to add blockchain as a resource that you can either update or query. Let's go straight into a demonstration. The network is described by a JSON file that has all the information about hostnames, ports, and so on. This file is used by the MQ Bridge to connect to the blockchain network. Once the bridge knows how to connect to blockchain and to a queue manager, it's started and ready to pass requests from MQ applications. Messages going through the bridge are in JSON format. This file contains a set of JSON objects that will be sent through the bridge. We can see how the blockchain network or channel and the contract are named along with any parameters. These requests ought to look familiar to anyone who's worked with the blockchain samples. The AMQS-REC sample program provided with MQ is a general request-reply program. It gets called here to show how use of blockchain becomes just a standard MQ pattern. The only additional processing going on here is a filter to turn the multiple lines of JSON into the single line read by AMQS-REC for each request, and a couple of tweaks to the program for buffer sizes and output formatting. For queries, the response messages include both text and byte formats. The updates to the blockchain have taken effect, as we can see in the final returned message. And that's how the MQ Bridge for Blockchain can easily add blockchain operations to your MQ applications. Thank you.